Fantastic ranch home in Winchester Estates, just minutes from I565 and downtown Huntsville. This full brick home has 3 BDR/2 BTHS and 1,540 square feet. The floor plan has secluded master suite with a great walk-in closet. The laundry is tiled and right off of the garage. The kitchen has tile flooring, plenty of cabinets, fast bar and eat-in area. Generous family and dining room have laminate flooring. You will enjoy the cozy gas fireplace on cool nights or stargaze on the patio in your large backyard. The property has a new privacy fence, new dishwasher, new garage door opener, HVAC compressor was replaced in 2018, roof is about 7 years old and the metal shed has power west/lights. The perfect spot to call home.